Hello guys, welcome back to Vishal Peripherals. Check out the new Thermaltake CTEC750 ARGB Snow White cabinet. It's specially designed for E80X full tower PCs. It comes with 3 pre-installed 140mm ARGB fans and it supports up to 420 AIO radiators at the front, motherboard side and the rear of the chassis. Centralized thermal efficiency is focused by providing high-level thermal performance to critical components. This design utilizes a 90-degree rotation of motherboard, providing more efficient airflow for the components. This overall approach has allowed CTEC750 to provide better and more efficient intake airflow through the placement of main components and cooling, as well as optimization to the heat extraction from the system. It has two 4mm tempered glass panels on the front and left side of the cabinet. This allows users to view and admire all the components with full RGB glory. Coming to the connectors, it has 4 USB 3.0 slots and 1 Type-C port, and HD audio ports are placed at the top panel to grant direct access when it needed. Please check out this new cabinet available at Vishal Peripherals. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. See you in the next one.